Hello, welcome. In this video, I just want to show you an example, tell you what a breaker block is, and then show you examples of what breaker block examples where they are in action. Okay, if you look at this chart here, you see that I have my order blocks marked out here and here. Okay, a breaker block in just a simple definition is a failed order block. A failed order block, like okay, as we see here, there is this push down here, and there is this push up here, and there is this push down here. So the market was expected to come back to this order block and then push down further. But you see that it didn't happen. So the market just like push up, come back, go through it, closes above it, above the order block, come back, then push up. Then the markets come back here and then still push up again. So you see that this order block, as the case may be in that instance, where was expected to come here and then go down to create a lower low here, but the markets push further up and then came back to the other block and go. So it failed here, but one of the conditions is that once the market is pushing up, the market must close above the other block. It must close above the other block. As you see, this push down here, then created this other block here, then push down again, right? And then come back to this place, it closes above the other block, then push up, and then come down to this place and push up again. So it was a fail. Another example is, if you look at this scenario here, this was an order block here, this was a bearish order block. Okay, we were expected that, okay, since created this order block here, make a higher high, then come down, it was going to like push up again, to push up to create a higher high, but as you can see, the market pushed beyond it and closed here, then came back to the other block. Here it was expected to be a support, but it went down, came back and turned to a resistance, then pushed down. So that is just a typical example of what a breaker block is. So I hope you enjoy this explanation, and I hope that it will help you better in your trading experience. you know like this video if you find value in it, subscribe to the channel so that it can help us grow. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.